Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Before we get into the semi-annual sales tips and tricks, we're going to be doing this a little bit different. I'm taking you way back in time. Let's go, old Tina, let them know.
Me and Ducky are here to share the tips and tricks for this SAS. So make sure you have a pen, you have a paper, and if you have extra questions, leave them below, because I'm winging this whole thing just from memory, and if it's something I missed, definitely leave it below. So let's talk about it. First thing, when does it begin? The sale begins June.
Current Tina here. So it will be starting on June 15th, y'all, and it starts on a Monday of all days.
How long does it last? It's supposed to last a month, but sometimes it goes 6 weeks, sometimes it goes longer. Some stores do it till all the inventory runs out. When should you go? That's another question, right? When should you go to SAS? When? I always say once a week, because prices change once a week and prices vary per store. So first things first, once a week, make sure you're in the store.
Current Tina here. Gas is high, girl. So do what you can. Do what you can if you can get in the stores, but I'm gonna let you finish.
Save your receipts, because prices always change, and if it's within 14 days, you can get a price adjustment. Mine getting what I want day one, and then having my stuff in the bag, having the receipt right there with it in the bag, putting it in the closet, and if prices drop, go take my stuff and go get my adjustment. That's just me, because I'm in the store very frequently. If you're not in the store that frequently, or you live far away, I definitely understand. But my suggestion is to go to the store at least once a week, preferably the first day of the week when the sales do change. Is the sale online? Yes, it's going to be online and in stores. The prices, it depends. Sometimes online don't be popping. I ain't even gonna cap. Sometimes online is like, what is this? This is not a sale. You'll see something online, it's like $8. You go into the store, it's $3.50. So it depends. If you live too far away from a store, you have no choice to order online, that's that. But if you can get in the stores, I think the stores sometimes is just the better place to go.
Current Tina here. And when you get to go in stores, you get to smell it first, so you know if it stank, because sometimes it stank.
I recommend set aside a budget that is comfortable for you to spend at semi-annual sale. You never want to go into semi-annual sale with no budget, because when you go in with no budget is when you end up spending $500, $600, $700. Like, you have to have a budget. Also, make sure that you're checking your Ibotta. See if you got cashback on Ibotta, because with Ibotta, you can get Bath & Body Works gift cards. You'll even get cash back for your gift cards. Plus, you might already have money in your Ibotta account. You might have money in your Fetch account. If you do, go ahead and get a Bath & Body Works gift card so you can use for the event, because normally with Fetch, it takes up to 3 days to get your gift card. So you get it beforehand. That way you have it for when the sale begins. That's very important. If you're going to shop the sale, make it make sense and make sure you're getting the most back. Now, next tip is a sale is not a sale if you cannot afford it. You can't save the $50 a week. You can't save the $25 a week. You can't save the $10 a week until the sale, or your paychecks is not going to stretch enough, because you got to pay for, summer camps and all this stuff for your kids and all that. It's okay. You don't need it. These things that they're offering is things that we don't even need. Like, look at your collections. I know our collections is stocked. I know my collection is just out of control. It's upstairs, it's downstairs, it's in the garage. My collection's huge. I don't need nothing. I need absolutely nothing. Okay? Nothing. And I can be honest with myself. So be honest with yourself, okay? If you cannot afford to sell, don't do it. And I also want to tell y'all, and I've been telling y'all this for a long time, don't keep up with YouTubers. YouTubers are going to be in the stores. That's our job. We get paid, not from Bath & Body Works, but we get paid from YouTube for AdSense. We're Google contractors, and we go into the stores, we make videos, we tell you what's there, we get paid for that. So of course, we're gonna have a different budget than an ordinary person. And of course, we buy more than an ordinary person, because this is a job. Like, this is a hobby and it's fun, but it's also a job. Like, we pay taxes. Like, we claim this on our 1099 as a 1099 for this. So please do not try to keep up with YouTubers and kind of stuff. You have to be realistic in your mind of what makes sense. And what's not realistic is saying that you're going to go out there and spend your whole paycheck at Bath & Body Works, especially when you don't need it.
Current Tina here. Thank you, old Tina, for that information. Now let's get into this year's semi-annual sale. Life inside the page, daily finds. Okay, the CEO. CEO in my mind of these things. If you're not checking her out, what are you doing? Definitely check out her blog spot. She'll keep you up to date on SAS. But let's get into some things that she posted. Now, this was from Enter M Pear. She got these pictures from, but Bright and Breezy, I really want to try out. I'm like, okay, what Bright and Breezy do? I need to know. And she posted like some of the returns that are going to be coming back for semi-annual sale. Cactus Blossom, I still got some of that, but I really want I'm not telling my wish list yet, but Country Chic's there. They got the Black Amethyst coming back. We got, of course, Into the Wild, Cucumber Melon, Open Sky, Vanilla Ease. Heard the Lemonade Pomegranates coming back. And I heard Saltwater Breeze is going to be in stores as well for semi-annual sale. So if you didn't want to order it online, one of my subscribers told me that. Y'all be keeping me up to date. I'm telling y'all do. So thanks for letting me know so I know not to order it online. And I'm just going to wait that bad boy out so I can go ahead and get it at semi-annual sale. Now, what's on my wish list? It's really, really small. Of course, I have the Saltwater Breeze. I have a Cucumber Melon because I like to have Cucumber Melon on deck once in the summer in the body wash. Of course, Secret Wonderland because that's my girl. And then I got Country Chic on the list. So those are everything that is on my wish list. So basically, just to wrap up everything, I'm telling y'all, listen up, okay? Hey, Linda. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let me tell y'all, listen up. This sale is a nice sale, but please do not go overboard. Do not get things that you cannot afford. Let's just not. Overconsumption is real. We live in a world where everybody's over consuming and we could put this money into other things. I told y'all a couple years back, I could have had a Birkin by now. How much I've spent in body care. And I think I'm not the only one who's like that at this point. We could have been in Birkins at this point. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I need to know what's on your wish list. What are you going to be getting from the sale? What days are you going to be hitting? I know y'all want to haul in after dark with Mama Marie, so that's going to be coming for SAS. And I'm going to try to bring at least 3 videos a week highlighting SAS through SAS because I'm trying to work at the same time and do SAS content because this is not my full-time job being a YouTuber, plus the kids are on break. I got just so many moving parts going in my life. So of course we're going to have SAS hauls with the kids. We got a lot coming for the channel. So definitely let me know what you guys want to see below. I love you guys. Thanks for continuing to rock with me. And if you have any tips and tricks you want to leave for SAS, let us know below. And as far as a coupon, y'all, I don't know about any coupon as of yet. If you heard anything about a 10 off or whatever, let us know in the comments below as well. Love ya. Bye.